students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, the function f given by f of x is equals to log of sin x is increasing on. Our options are 0 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi, or 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So function is increasing in that interval where f dash of x is positive. So what we will do? First we will find f dash of x, that is derivative of this function, and we'll put that equal and we'll put that as positive, and we'll find the interval in which x can lie. Okay. So what we'll do? We have a function here. F of x is equals to log of sin x. Correct? Now we'll find f dash of x and we'll put that greater than 0, because a function is only increasing when f dash of x is greater than 0. So f dash of x, differentiation of this function, we will use chain rule. So differentiation of log of something will be 1 upon that something, right? We are using a chain rule. So differentiation of log of sin x will be 1 upon sin x. Now there is a function inside a function. So multiply by differentiation of sin x, which is cos x, correct? So we are getting our f dash of x is equals to cot x. So this, in which interval this will be positive? So this will be positive in that interval where cot is positive. So if you will remember, in trigonometry, sine is positive in first quadrant and second quadrant, correct? Cos is positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant, and tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. So in which interval this will be increasing? Means if tan is positive, then cot is also positive, correct? So if tan is positive, then cot is positive. So cot will be positive in third quadrant or first quadrant. Cot will be positive in third quadrant or first quadrant. So let's see which of the options are among first quadrant or third quadrant. So 0 to pi means first quadrant and second quadrant. No, cot is negative in second quadrant. So we can't take option A. Now second option, pi to 3 pi by 2. Pi to 3 pi by 2. Yes, it is exactly third quadrant, correct? So this should be our correct answer. Let's check other option as well. Option C is telling pi by 2 to pi, but in this interval cot will be negative, correct? So this will not be positive. So this is also incorrect option. Now option D, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi means fourth quadrant where cot will be negative. So this is also not a correct option. So only correct option is option B, pi to 3 pi by 2, which is third quadrant where cot and tan will be positive. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.